Comparing the backhand flick of Zhang Jike and Fanjen Dong by Coach EmRatThich. In modern table tennis, the backhand flick has become an essential tool to counter short serves and gain the initiative early in the rally. Among all players in recent history, Zhang Jike and Fanjen Dong stand out with two of the most effective and explosive backhand flicks in the game. What makes their flicks special is that both players use a similar technique. A short stroke combined with intense wrist action to produce spin and power in a very limited space. Zhang Jike's backhand flick is fast, aggressive, and compact. He uses a low stance and a stable base, then snaps his wrist forward in a quick burst of acceleration. His forearm and wrist work together, but the focus is on the sudden wrist whip at the point of contact. The timing is perfect, and his contact is extremely clean. Zhang often flicks not just to open the point, but to attack directly, placing the ball wide or into the opponent's elbow with precision and speed. Fanjen Dong's backhand flick is built on similar mechanics, but even more explosive. Like Zhang, he uses a short stroke with strong wrist acceleration, but Fan adds his unique timing and lower body stability to make the flick more dangerous. His flick is more forward-driven, with a slightly flatter trajectory and more pressure on the opponent. Fan's forearm is slightly more active, and his wrist snap is incredibly fast, giving him the ability to flick aggressively even against heavy underspin. The key similarities: short stroke with minimal backswing, ideal for fast, close-to-table play. Heavy wrist usage to generate speed and spin. Timing and precision to catch the ball at the top of the bounce. What separates them is subtle. Zhang Jike's flick has a touch more arc and uses more finesse. Fanjen Dong's flick is flatter, faster, and more direct, often used to apply immediate pressure. Both techniques are a model for young players learning how to flick short serves effectively. They show that the backhand flick is not about big movements, but precise timing, relaxed wrists, and explosive acceleration in compact motion. To master the backhand flick, study these two champions. Learn from Zhang Jike's feel and spin. Learn from Fanjen Dong's power and explosiveness. Combine both and you will control the serve game like a champion.
在比赛当中能够发挥的流畅。
哎呀，这个球就是流畅，强势。第一板拧拉之后，第二板边跑动。
还是围绕着樊振东的正手短。
漂亮，右线，而且质量非常的高，我们可以看到线路非常的直。
Pace change. Accelerating, yes. Backhand change, that's just beautiful. And then Fanjen Dong advantage jumping.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.